pagination is a common requirement in today's website. If we go back to SQL Server, we have 6 books in our table. But let's say we only display 2 books on a page, and then on the next page we display 2 books, and so on. For that we can use skip and take methods to retrieve only the first 2. After that we want to skip the 2 and retrieve the next 2. Let me show you how to do that. For that we can do that on the where condition, or we can do that directly. So on the book we have something called as skip, and there we need to define the number of records that we want to skip. Let's say we want to get the first 2. So skip will be 0, we don't want to skip any records, and take will be 2. So we want to skip no records and we want to get the next 2 records. That is perfect. We will display that here, and then let me copy it one more time, paste it again. After that what I want to do is I want to skip the first, let's say 4 records, and take only the next 1 record. Let me run the application and see the result. We have spider without duty, fortune of time, and cloudy forest. Let me go back to database and make sure that is correct. First we had skip 0 and take 2, so it took the first 2, spider without duty and fortune of time. After that we had skip 4, so it skipped the first 4 and took cloudy forest. That is correct as well. So you can be pretty fancy with skip and take. You can have a for loop and add a variable here. That way you can iterate on pagination as well. But during an interview, if someone asks you that what method you will use for pagination, the answer will be skip and take with EF core.